we have a wide varieties of tea based on the customer's requirement. Some use it as the digestive booster or the immune booster. So based on that, we have different varieties of specialty teas from Selfie Tea. So this is a new tea culture that we have brought to the customer. Normally the conventional method of bringing the tea to the customer is from the farmer to the auctioneer, from the auctioneer it goes to the local exporter, from there it goes to the wholesaler, retailer, then to the customer. We are breaking it. We are directly sourcing it from the farmer, Selfie Tea, to the customer. And we have our own setup in Darjeeling and in Nilgiri. We process our own Selfie Tea. It means from the farmer we take the tea leaves and we process it. We ourselves pack it and then we deliver it to the customer. Like all of us have different characters, thus the Selfie specialty tea has its own character. So based on the character, each and every minute behavior is being studied and prepared properly to bring it to the customer based on the health benefits that they're looking for. On this pandemic situation, when our customers ask Selfie Tea, what you can provide us apart from that you have right now. So that concept actually brought us the idea of specialty tea. Apart from the normal English breakfast or the afternoon tea or the house blend or the different flavor tea or iced tea, we thought of providing the customers the specialty tea. So that's why we started our two sets up, one in Nilgiri and one is in Darjeeling. Thus, we came up with around 20 plus specialty teas from Selfie Tea for our customers. So as part of that, we have also started a new project for the welfare and to support the small tea farmers of India, which is called the Farmers of India by Selfie Tea. This is a shop in Cochin and exactly the location is in Idapalli, just opposite to Lulu Mall, and this is a flagship store in Kerala. Another one which we started even before this is in Shobha City Mall, Thrissur. And here, apart from this Selfie Tea and the specialty teas, we do provide like burgers, sandwiches, and especially our main product is the beef poutine and the fresh beef burger. And the snacks wise, if you look at, we have crustleches and cheesecakes, and all these food items are prepared with the international standard. Other than that, the international franchise is also on, and the discussion has already completed for Turkey and the Middle East. By first quarter of 2021, our presence will be there. Also, the international market is also open, like Europe and other region is also open for the franchising. And this specialty teas will be available in our shops as well as online, and all the other leading supermarkets and hypermarkets in UAE as well as in India by the first quarter of 2021, as I mentioned. One of our main focus is the delivery option for the tea. And most of you will be ordering food online and you will be getting it. But for example, if you're in an office with your friends, or if there's a family function, you'll be thinking, okay, if there is an option to have a tea delivered to us, but there was no option for you. But right now, we have made that option for you available with the Selfie Tea, and with all these specialty teas which we have mentioned will be available for you at your doorstep from Selfie Tea through our delivery option for the tea. Of course, our main USP is Selfie Saffron Tea. And along with Selfie Saffron Tea, a must-try product is our Selfie Fresh Leches. And among the other food products, if you ask, the one I would suggest you is a fresh beef burger. And the main highlight is the way how it is prepared. The fresh beef is minced and grilled on the stone, and we use our Selfie homemade sauce along with the fresh mushrooms. And the taste that you're going to have it when you have the first bite, that'll remain even if you leave from this shop. So that's our main highlights. And we are the first people to bring and introduce the saffron tea in Kerala. And along with that, we have a number of varieties that you can taste. Come and taste from Selfie Tea, and you're always welcome.